Yo guys, if you're trying to launch a Steam game and you're getting this error, the procedure could not be located in the DLL EAX.DLL. Don't worry. Let's check what's causing it and fix it the safe way. So first I clicked to play in Steam and this error popped up. Now this doesn't necessarily mean EAX.DLL is completely missing. It can also happen if the file is damaged, quarantined, or the game has an incorrect version of the DLL. So first let's check Windows Security, open ELF settings, then go to ELF privacy and security and open ELF Windows Security. Now click virus and threat protection and open ELF protection history here. Check if Windows Security recently quarantined or blocked the file from your game. If you find something related to the game, don't just click allow. First make sure you know what the file is and why it was detected. If you're not sure, leave it blocked. Instead, we're going to use Steam's built-in repair option. Go back to Steam, find your game, right-click it, and select Properties. Now click Installed Files here. You'll see Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that and let Steam check the installation. Steam will compare the game files with the files it expects and replace missing or damaged files when necessary. This is the official Steam file verification process, so we don't need to download random DLL files from the internet. Once the verification is finished, launch the game again, and there we go. The game starts normally, and that's it. If you're getting EAX.DLL or similar DLL error with a Steam game, checking Windows Security first and then verifying the game files through Steam is a safe place to start. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more simple PC fixes.